Let's be honest, finding a genuinely good AI video generator in today's time feels almost impossible. Every tool claims to create cinematic and ultra-realistic videos, but the moment you actually try it, you're greeted with blurry visuals, awkward motion, giant ugly watermarks, ridiculously short video limits, or a paywall that appears before you can even finish your first project. After wasting hours testing tool after tool, you honestly start wondering if there's an AI video generator that actually delivers what it promises. Well, I had the exact same frustration. But then I found one tool that genuinely surprised me. It generates ultra-realistic images, creates cinematic AI videos, supports videos up to 56 seconds long, and the quality honestly speaks for itself. So in this video, instead of just talking about it, I'm going to create an entire AI short film from scratch so you can judge the results yourself. The tool is Magic Hour AI. So the very first thing you have to do is open your browser, search for Magic Hour AI, and click on the first website. I'll also leave the link in the description so you can jump there directly. Once you open the website, you'll see this interface. Now click on Start Creating Free. After that, you'll enter the main dashboard of Magic Hour AI. As you can see, if you scroll down, you'll find a huge collection of different AI tools. There's image to video, face swap, text to video, image upscaler, AI music generator, voice generator, and many more. Honestly, it's like someone decided one AI tool wasn't enough, so they built an entire AI factory instead. And that's genuinely impressive. All right, let's start with image generation. Simply click on Create or Edit Image. This is the interface. On the left side, you'll find several different options. Click on Model and you'll see plenty of image models available, including Nano Banana 2, Dream 4.5, ChatGPT Image 2, and several others. For this example, I'm choosing Nano Banana 2. Then I'll set the quality to 2K, choose the 9:16 aspect ratio, paste my image prompt into the prompt box, and hit Generate. As you can see, it's already generating the image, and honestly, it's surprisingly fast. No time to make coffee, unless you're making instant coffee. And there we go, our image is ready. Now just look at that quality. The lighting, textures, facial details, and overall realism look absolutely incredible. Now let's turn this image into a video. Simply download the image, head back to the main dashboard, and open the Create Video option. Inside, you'll see the starting frame option, so I'll upload the image we just created. Now let's choose the video model. There are several of the latest AI video models available here. For this example, I'm choosing Google Veo 3.1. Next, I'll set the quality to 1080p, choose an 8-second duration, and click Generate Video. As you can see, it's generating the video, and it usually takes less than a minute. And boom, our video's ready. Now, seriously, take a look at this. I genuinely love the result. The motion feels smooth, the quality looks amazing, and it even generates background music automatically, which is a really nice bonus. All right, let's download this video and move to my favorite feature, text to video. And trust me, this part is absolutely mind-blowing. Simply select the text to video option exactly like I'm doing. For the duration, I'm choosing 32 seconds, which is honestly much longer than what many AI generators allow. The quality is 1080p, and the video model is once again Google Veo 3.1. Now I'm pasting a detailed video prompt that I generated using ChatGPT. Once everything is ready, simply click Generate Video. Now, longer videos naturally take a little more time to generate, but trust me, the final result is worth the wait. So let's give it a minute. And our video's finished. Now let's preview it.
For 10 years, this war stole everything from me.
Look around, warrior. You stand alone. A man is never alone when his purpose stands beside him. Today, I fight not for revenge. Stand with me. Let history remember this day. For glory.
Seriously, this completely exceeded my expectations. The quality is insane. The entire 32-second video tells a complete cinematic sequence. The warrior battle scenes, the dialogue, the background music, the camera movement, and most importantly, the realism. Everything comes together incredibly well. And here's something really important. The quality of your prompt directly affects the quality of your video. The more detailed and descriptive your prompt is, the better your final result will be. So if you spend a little extra time writing a great prompt, you'll get even more impressive videos. Personally, I absolutely love this feature. Alright, let's download this video and move to another really cool feature, starting and ending frame video generation. First, let's generate two images. Go back to image generation. Again, I'm choosing Nano Banana 2, setting the quality to 2K, pasting my first image prompt and clicking generate. Wait a few seconds and there we go. Our first image is ready and it looks exactly how I wanted. Now I'll paste my second image prompt and generate another image. Just wait another few seconds and boom, our second image is also ready. This one will be our ending frame. Now I'll download both images and head back to video generation. Upload the first image as start frame and the second image as end frame. Once both images are uploaded, it's time to choose the video model. For this example, I'm selecting Seed Dream 1.5 because I really like its cinematic look and smooth transitions. Next, I'll set the quality to 1080p. The duration is already set to 12 seconds, which works perfectly. Now I'll paste my video prompt into the prompt box and click generate. It usually takes around 1 minute. And there it is, our video's ready. Now let's watch the preview. Honestly, this might actually be my favorite result. The transition between the starting frame and the ending frame feels incredibly smooth, cinematic, and unique. It genuinely looks like a movie scene. And honestly, the previous two videos were also fantastic. So in today's video, we created ultra-realistic cinematic AI videos using Magic Hour AI. And I have to say, I'm genuinely impressed with what this tool can do. If you've been searching for an AI video generator that actually delivers high-quality results without making everything look fake or covering your videos with ugly watermarks, then this is definitely one worth trying. You'll find the link in the description. Give it a try and let me know what you create. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below telling me which AI tool you want me to test next. I upload videos on the latest AI tools, viral AI trends, and cinematic AI workflows. So if you don't want to miss what's coming next, hit that subscribe button because I've got some crazy videos planned. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.